hope y'all can see me. But what's up, guys? Starting today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing. I waited for 2 weeks for this. Can't wait to open it up, install it, show y'all what it is. And also another update, I got custom plates ready for pickup. I just gotta pick it up whenever I have time, and they're gonna say Kripsyj on them, so that's just lit. Oh, it's in here. Oh shit. Oh. What type bar steering wheel? Ooh. The conditions ain't that bad either. Alright guys, getting ready for the install. So here's the JDM 96 ITR wheel. Got the pretty much the what's supposed to be the airbag, but with these models, these are the non-SRS models, so it doesn't have an airbag in them. But got that out. It's all held by Velcro right there, you guys can see. Got this, I'm gonna bring it out real quick. Take this out. The steering wheel's pretty clean, it's not in the best condition. It could be a lot better, but as of right now, it's pretty decent, it's pretty mint. So I'm gonna put this right here. Chill, put this right here. So here's that. I'm gonna get ready to install that. I just need to take off the stock steering wheel right there. But let's get into my tools. So I need a Phillips. So let's get that out of here. So it's gonna be this one right here. So it's gonna be kind of hard recording this one-handed, but I'm gonna do the best. So got my Phillips. Here's the wheel. There is one bolt under here, I believe. So I'm gonna take that out first. So I just got that bottom piece out right here that I was talking about. Screws somewhere. Oh, it was right there. So I just got this out. I got this clip out, which is on the side of the steering wheel, I believe right here. You're gonna need to take that bolt out too, but I'm not that worried yet. You just gotta remove this this plastic clip right here. There's gonna be 2 bolts right there, and right here is to unplug your airbag. So I'm gonna go do that real quick. Get this bolt out, get this shit out, and this shit should just pop right out. So I'm gonna get to it. So just got the airbag out. Pretty much a bolt on this side, bolt on that side, bolt underneath to unplug the airbag, and that is it. All you need now is a 19. Crank it left, should pop right out. So I believe that's all I need. Just the airbag. If anybody wants a super mint GSR INTEGRA steering wheel, hit my line. If not, I'm more than likely gonna just keep it, because it's super mint, and who doesn't like OEM parts? So I'm gonna get this bitch out and get ready for the new steering wheel to put right back in. So see y'all when that's done. Alright, I forgot what to do. I gotta pop these 2 plastic clips off, open it up, and unscrew, I think it is 4 bolts to get this off, and it should be good to go after that. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and hopefully it's on. Alright guys, got that piece out. It's right here. Fucking tore the fuck out of it. But if you guys having the same problem as me, it's gonna be this fucking thing right here. I thought it was gonna be like unplug and plug in type of deal, but it's not. One plug goes in here, then one plug goes right here on the side, so had to cut it up, sadly, but it's whatever. Got this shit out. Time to put the new steering wheel in. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, just finally got the steering wheel in. You guys can tell it's not the best of shape, but I plan on getting that redone. Plan on getting this whole steering wheel restored. But here's the interior. This is gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. Comment and subscribe. Hope you guys like the new steering wheel I got. I got it for 200 bones. But yeah, 200 bucks. It's not the best of shape, but still, JDM ITR 96 steering wheel. Still looking for center console, you know, any ITR interior parts, ITR seats. So hit me up if you guys have any in stock, or you guys just have some. Let me know. But hope you guys liked the video. Peace.